Okay, start by removing this little 10. And we need to remove this. Because the brake pads are still good and the disc is still in spec, we're just going to remove the whole caliper. So if you look back here, see this bolt and the further bolt now. Oh, I use this slightly longer ratchet, 14mm. Suck it in and just remove this. So the whole caliper and the carrier will come away. Then take the disc off. Make sure this area in here is in good condition. And the disc is within spec. This is the part we're going to replace. So make sure the shoes have enough brake pad left on them. This is more close up. This one's the new one and this one's the old part. You can see the adjustment screw on the new one there. This is what it looks like fitted. You'll get the adjustment through the hole in here. You can see it there. So you get a screwdriver through the hole and you get a screwdriver, pop it through the hole like this, and then turn the cog. Make sure this mechanism here is not seized. Probably best to strip the car or have somebody operate the foot pedal, park and brake, and make sure this part isn't seized. This could be some of your problem. Pop the disc back on, tighten your little 10 here, and then you can see the wheel inside there. So you got a screwdriver in. Very hard to see. And get to a point where it's tight. Okay. And the disc won't move. And then let it off about half a turn. Reassemble the brakes, test the handbrake or the foot brake in this car, and hopefully everything's all good. Pop some tread locker on the two locking bolts here for the caliper housing, caliper carrier.